Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, children, today we are going to learn capital letter E. Now, everyone, take out your pre primary reading and learning skills, my first book of alphabet. Now, everyone, take out page number 6. You have to listen carefully and you have to repeat also. Children, which letter is this? This is capital letter E. This is capital letter E. And phonic sound of capital letter E is A. Phonic sound of capital letter E is A. So children, this is capital letter E. E for elephant, E for egg, E for eagle, E for engine. Now repeat again. Capital letter E. Capital letter E. E for elephant, E for egg, E for eagle, E for engine. Now repeat again one more time. Capital letter E. Capital letter E. E for elephant, E for egg, E for eagle, E for engine. Now this is your writing time. Now children, take out your English A My Skill book. Now open page number 17. First we'll write date 2/1/21.5.2121. Classwork is already mentioned here, so we'll not write classwork. So children, tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is capital letter E. Capital letter E. E for eyes. E for eyes. Now what we have to do? We have to write capital letter E. So how we'll write? We have to trace and write the letter E. So children, you all can see small dots are made. So we have to join all the dots and we have to complete letter E. Now start writing, children. First, up to down, standing line. Then from here, sleeping line. Then from middle also one sleeping line. Come down, from here also one sleeping line. So how we have written? We have joined all the dots and we have written letter E. Now again write. Join all the dots. Okay children? Up to down, standing line, go back. From here, sleeping line, then come down, here in middle, then write one more sleeping line, then come down, join all the dots and write sleeping line. So we have written capital letter E. Again we'll write up to down, standing line, from here, sleeping line, come in middle, one more sleeping line, come down, one more sleeping line. So what we have written? We have written capital letter E. How we have written? We have joined all the dots and we have written capital letter E. Now again write up to down, standing line, then sleeping line, one more sleeping line, then again one sleeping line. So this is capital letter E. We have written capital letter E. Again write up to down, standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line, one more time sleeping line. This is capital letter E. Again write up to down, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, then again one sleeping line. Children, I hope you all have understood how to write capital letter E. Now you have to do in this way only. Okay, children? Children, we have learned today capital letter E and we have written also. Now you all have to revise also. Okay, children? Now I am going. Take care and be safe. Bye-bye.